A boat day in the Florida Keys sounds simple. You rent a boat, pack a cooler, head out on the water, and enjoy a perfect day under the sun. But here is what nobody tells you. A great boat day does not happen by accident. It happens when you choose the right boat, understand the local rules, pack the right things, check the weather, respect the water, and plan your day around what the boat is actually allowed to do. Because in the Florida Keys, the water is beautiful, but it also requires preparation. So in this video, we are sharing the ultimate Florida Keys boat day guide, especially if you are planning to rent a pontoon boat in Marathon, Florida. And if you are looking for a comfortable pontoon rental for your family, friends, or group, you can check availability at marathonpontoonrental.com. Let's get started. 1. Choose the right boat for the day you want. The first thing nobody tells you is that not every boat day is the same. Some people want speed. Some want fishing. Some want offshore adventure. Some want a relaxed day with family, swimming, cruising, and enjoying the view. That is why the boat you choose matters. A pontoon boat is perfect if your goal is comfort, space, and relaxation. It is great for families, couples, groups of friends, and even dog owners when the rental company allows pets. You have room for people to sit, room for towels, room for snacks, room for a cooler, and space to enjoy the day without feeling crowded. But a pontoon boat is not meant for everything. If you are renting from Marathon Pontoon Rental, the boats are designed for local inshore use around Marathon. They are not for reef trips, far offshore travel, tubing, wakeboarding, water skiing, towing items, or bringing dive tanks. So before you book, ask yourself, do we want a relaxed local boat day? Do we want to cruise, swim, enjoy sandbar time when conditions are right, and stay close to shore? If the answer is yes, a pontoon boat can be a great fit. 2. Know the approved boating area before you plan anything. The second thing nobody tells you is that rental boats have boundaries. You cannot just rent a boat and go anywhere in the Florida Keys. Every rental company has an approved boating area, and you need to understand it before planning your trip. For Marathon Pontoon Rental, boats must stay within 1 mile of shore in Marathon, from Curry Hammock State Park to Pigeon Key at the beginning of the 7-mile bridge. That means your boat day should be planned around local Marathon waters. Not the reef, not far offshore, not long-distance boating, and not destinations outside the allowed range. This is important because many tourists plan their boat day based on videos, social media, or random travel blogs without checking whether their rental boat is actually allowed to go there. That can create problems. The smarter approach is simple. Start with the approved area. Then build your day around what is safe, allowed, and realistic. That way your trip feels easy instead of stressful. And before your rental day, visit marathonpontoonrental.com to review the local chart and rental details. 3. Do not overpack your itinerary. The third thing nobody tells you is that a perfect boat day should not be overloaded. A lot of tourists try to turn one boat rental into 5 different activities. They want to cruise, swim, stop for food, visit a sandbar, take photos, explore every corner, and still return on time. But boating takes longer than people expect. Loading the boat takes time. Orientation takes time. Cruising takes time. Anchoring takes time. Swimming takes time. Returning to the dock takes time. If you pack the day too tightly, you will spend more time rushing than relaxing. The best Florida Keys boat days are usually simple. Cruise, swim, relax, take photos. Enjoy a sandbar stop if conditions are right. Eat something easy. Return calmly. That is enough. You do not need a complicated route to have a beautiful day in Marathon. The water, the breeze, and the people you came with are already the main experience. 4. Pack like you will be on the water for hours. The fourth thing nobody tells you is that what you pack can make or break your boat day. The Florida sun is strong, especially on the water. So bring more sun protection than you think you need. Pack sunscreen, sunglasses, hats, towels, light clothing, and plenty of drinking water. Bring snacks or simple lunch items. Bring a cooler, but do not overdo it. Bring waterproof bags for phones, wallets, keys, and anything that should stay dry. If you have kids, bring what they need to stay comfortable. If you are bringing a dog, bring fresh water, shade options, and anything your pet needs. Also, think about life jackets. Marathon Pontoon Rental provides required safety equipment and adult life vests. If you have small children, check the life jacket rules before your rental day. Children under 50 pounds should have their own properly fitted life jacket provided by the parent, and children 6 and under are required to wear life jackets at all times. Good packing does not mean bringing everything you own. It means bringing the right things. Enough to be comfortable. Not so much that the boat feels crowded. 5. Respect capacity limits. The fifth thing nobody tells you is that boat capacity is not just a suggestion. It matters. Capacity is not only about how many people can sit on the boat, it also includes weight. People, coolers, bags, drinks, food, towels, and gear all add up. At Marathon Pontoon Rental, the 24-foot boats hold up to 10 people and have a maximum capacity of 2,000 pounds. So plan your group honestly. Do not squeeze in extra people. Do not overload the boat with unnecessary gear. And do not assume one more cooler or one more bag does not matter. A boat day is much more enjoyable when everyone has space. Pontoon boats are popular because they are comfortable and roomy. But they only stay that way when the group size and supplies are reasonable. Comfort is part of safety, and safety is part of having a good day. 6. Listen carefully. During the safety orientation. The sixth thing nobody tells you is that the safety orientation is one of the most important parts of the day. Some people treat it like a formality. They are excited to get on the water, so they only half listen. That is a mistake. The orientation helps you understand the boat, the approved area, local hazards, shallow spots, rules, timing, and what to do if you have questions. Even if you have boating experience, every local area is different. Marathon has shallow water, changing conditions, channels, and specific rental rules that you need to understand before leaving the dock. At Marathon Pontoon Rental, every reservation includes a safety orientation. Use that time wisely. Ask where you should go. Ask where you should not go. Ask about sandbar conditions. Ask about safe anchoring. Ask about return timing. Ask anything that helps you feel confident before you leave. A relaxed boat day starts with clear information. 7. Plan around weather and tide. The seventh thing nobody tells you is that the weather controls the boat day more than your itinerary does. You can have the perfect plan, but wind, storms, tide, or water conditions can change what makes sense. That is why flexibility is important. Check the forecast before your trip. Pay attention to wind. Pay attention to storms. Listen to local guidance. And do not try to force a plan if conditions do not support it. Sandbar time, for example, depends on conditions. Some days may be perfect for a longer swim stop. Other days may be better for a calm cruise and sightseeing. That does not mean the day is ruined. It just means the best boaters adjust. The goal is not to do every single thing you imagined. The goal is to have a safe, comfortable, enjoyable day on the water. That mindset makes the whole experience better. 8. Make sandbar time simple. The eighth thing nobody tells you is that sandbar time does not need to be complicated. Many people think they need to find the most famous sandbar in the Florida Keys. But if you are renting a local pontoon boat in Marathon, the best sandbar is the one that is safe, allowed, and right for the conditions that day. Marathon Pontoon Rental's approved range includes local Marathon waters, from Curry Hammock State Park to Pigeon Key at the beginning of the 7-mile bridge, within 1 mile of shore. So keep your sandbar plans local. Ask during orientation about the best options for that day. Pay attention to tides. Anchor safely. Respect shallow water. And do not leave trash behind. A good sandbar stop is simple. Step into the water, float, swim, take photos, eat a snack, relax, enjoy the view. Then return to the boat and continue your day. The best memories usually come from simple moments, not complicated plans. 9. Do not wait too long to return. The 9th thing nobody tells you is that the end of the boat day matters just as much as the beginning. A lot of groups have a great day, then ruin the ending by waiting too long to head back. Everyone wants one more swim, one more photo, one more cruise, one more snack. Then suddenly, the return feels rushed. That is not what you want. At Marathon Pontoon Rental, the boating day starts at 10:30 a.m., and boats must be returned by 4:30 p.m. at the latest. Give yourself more return time than you think you need. Wind can slow you down. Docking can take time. Loading and unloading can take time. Water traffic can affect timing. A perfect boat day should end calmly. Return early enough that nobody feels stressed. That way, the final memory is still relaxed, not rushed. 10. Keep the day focused on the experience. The 10th thing nobody tells you is that the best boat days are not about doing the most. They are about enjoying the experience. The sound of the water, the breeze, the sun, the laughter, the photos, the kids swimming, the dog relaxing in the shade. The quiet moment when everyone just looks around and realizes they are exactly where they wanted to be. That is what makes a Florida Keys boat day special. You do not need to chase distant places. You do not need to turn the day into a checklist. You do not need to copy someone else's vacation. If you are in Marathon, enjoy Marathon. Stay local. Stay safe. Stay within the approved area. Let the water be the main attraction. A comfortable pontoon boat gives your group space, flexibility, and privacy. And sometimes, that is all you need for the perfect Florida Keys day. So here is the ultimate Florida Keys boat day guide. Choose the right boat. Know the approved boating area. Do not overpack your itinerary. Pack smart. Respect capacity limits. Listen during the safety orientation. Plan around weather and tide. Keep sandbar time simple. Return calmly and on time. And focus on the experience, not just the schedule. If you are visiting Marathon, Florida and want a relaxed local boat day, visit marathonpontoonrental.com. Review the rental details, check availability, look at the approved boating chart, and plan a day that fits your group. Remember, Marathon Pontoon rental boats are designed for local inshore use within 1 mile of shore, from Curry Hammock State Park to Pigeon Key at the beginning of the 7-mile bridge. They are not for reef trips or far offshore travel, but for families, friends, couples, and dog owners who want a comfortable day on the water in Marathon. A pontoon boat can be the perfect choice. To book or learn more, visit marathonpontoonrental.com, because the best Florida Keys boat day is not the one where you do everything. It is the one where you feel prepared, relaxed, safe, and free to enjoy the water.